Hello guys, welcome to In 24 Hours. Okay, today I have a very interesting topic that we are going to be dealing on. Okay, I am going to be showing you guys how to install WHM Cpanel. Okay, all right, on your server. All right, we are going to be using DigitalOcean. Okay, but if you already have any other cloud service like AWS, Oracle, Azure, okay, you can also use it. But for this tutorial, we are going to be using DigitalOcean. One of the reasons I find DigitalOcean useful, it's because of their let's say their user-friendly approach. Okay, it's kind of easy, not too complex to use DigitalOcean. All right, so you also understand that we are going to be using a domain name. If you don't know how to register a domain name, probably this is your first time, I have a video on how to register a domain name, okay, on this channel. All right, now I will assume that you have a domain name, but if you don't have, you can register one. Now let's proceed. Now if you don't have a DigitalOcean account as well, it is free. Okay, I'm going to leave a link under the description of this video to have a free $100. Okay, if you use the link under the description of this video to sign up for a DigitalOcean account, you are going to have a free $100 to use for 2 months. Okay, for 2 months you're not going to be paying anything. You're going to use DigitalOcean. You're going to have $100 free to use, okay, for 2 months. Okay, so do well to check the description of this video. You're going to see the link to that. All right, so let me assume you're finished, you're done with creating your DigitalOcean, or you have an existing account. So just log into your dashboard, and when you're logged in, you go to what? Droplets. Okay, just click on droplets. All right, then you can just click create droplets. So we are going to be using CentOS. You can use any of these distributions: Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian. Okay, you can use any of them, but for this tutorial we're going to be using CentOS. We're going to be using this CentOS 7. All right, so you scroll down a little. We're going to be using a basic plan. Okay, depending on the resources, okay, that you want to be making use of, you can go for a higher plan. All right, okay, so but for this tutorial we want to stick to the basic plan. Okay, so I'm going to select this because we're actually going to need 2 GB of RAM, okay, at least, to install WHM. So I'm going to click on this, then I'll scroll down. So this is the point where we choose our data center region. I'm going to be using, I think I should use London. Okay, I'm going to use London. Now we are going to enter our password. All right, so you can use SSH, or you can just manually type the password. Okay, so I want to type the password right now. Let me choose the password. Okay, let me choose a password. Okay, it's saying it's not strong. Okay, I think it's strong now. So I want to copy the password. You can copy it and keep somewhere else. Okay, now I'll click on, sorry, I'll scroll down. Okay, these are additional options that you may want to use. Okay, but we're not going to be using them for now. So now it's the time to choose a host name. Okay, now is the time to choose a host name. So we are going to choose the host name, listen very carefully. Okay, the domain name that you're going to be using, okay, you're going to add something like host dot the domain name. All right, so just watch me. Okay, so I'm going to pick the domain name, which is this. And then I'm going to type host dot. All right, so like I said, you're going to use host dot the domain name, whatever your domain name is. Okay, all right. So we can actually use some tags here, but I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it pretty simple. Okay, so when you're done, okay, just check everything and see it's okay. All right. After that, you just click proceed, like create a droplet. All right. So you just give it a couple of some, let's say second to a minute, and before you know it, your droplet is fully successfully created. Okay. All right. So now, what I'm going to do now, I'm now actually going to copy this. I'm going to use this. All right. I'm going to copy it. Then go to your domain name registrar. Okay. So I'm on mine here. So you just click on this. I don't know if you're using Namecheap, whatever you're going to be using, you just click on the basic DNS or the DNS settings or name servers, you understand. All right. So I'll go to advanced. I'm going to add these records. Okay. Type it's here's going to be host. Then I'll put in the IP address. Okay, add another record. I'm going to make this, put the add there. So just follow what I'm doing, all right? So add another record. I just want to add all this, okay? All right, so I'll click save changes, okay? Save all changes. All right, normally you have to wait for, sometimes some hours for these changes to actually take place, for this to be propagated, okay? So, but let's just wait a couple of minutes and see if we can actually access this, okay? So in the meantime, we will minimize this, okay, and actually open this, okay, on using this program, okay. Just look at me. So I am going to be using Bitvise, okay. I think this is to me it's easy to put it, okay, because of the simplicity of this. That's why I'm using this. So you can also see and find out for yourself that this is also very easy. I will also leave the link, okay, to download this Bitwise under the description of this video so you can get it, okay. So now, if you have installed it, you just open it and then you enter the IP address, okay, and then remember the password as well. This is the password. Remember, we used this password when we were creating it. So you go over to the password and then paste it and you click login. All right, you see how easy it is to actually log into your server. Okay, so now is the time for us to install WHM. All right, so let us enter the command to install WHM. Okay, so space home. I'm also going to leave the link, okay, to this command, okay, under the description of this video, okay, so you can use. All right. I think I'm also getting a mistake here. Alright, let me check and see if I also have any other error. Okay. Alright. So you just click enter. Alright. So you just allow, it's going to take some time. Okay, it's going to take some time. So you just allow the installation, okay, process. Alright. So when it's done, I will resume the video. Okay, I'm actually going to pause it so that this video wouldn't be too long. Okay, so when this installation is successful, I'm going to resume the video. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, our installation has been successful. Okay, so what we have to do now is to copy this link. Okay, how to copy? Just drag, okay, and leave it so it will automatically copy the stuff. Okay, just paste the link. All right, if yours didn't open, why just using the domain name? Remember that you can use the IP address, like, understand, you can also use this link. All right, okay, to access it. All right, so just click advance, click proceed. Okay, for some reasons I will have to turn on VPN, because sometimes my internet, my IP, I don't know what the problem is. Sometimes it doesn't really try to open, so I have to use a VPN. Okay, so you can just, if you're trying to log in and it's kind of auto logging you out, then you might need to use a VPN. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. So you can actually use this free version, Windscribe, the free version of every month. I think they give you 10 gig. Okay, so that's what I use. All right, because when I try to log in using my normal IP or internet connection, it try to log me out. So if you find yourself in that position, this would really help you. Just try to go to Google and download Windscribe. Okay, so with that you will be able to solve that problem. So let's go to our password, which is this, and paste and try and log in. So you click agree to all. You have to agree to the terms. Okay, so you click login. Actually, we have to create account. Okay, first of all, you have to create account. All right, so you enter the email, click agree, click create account. Okay, so an activation link has been sent, so I'll just click allow access. Okay, so I'll click. Okay, I have to enter the activation code I was sent to the email. Okay, so hold on. So here's the activation code. So I'll click verify my email. So I will click the setup server. Okay, as you can see, our name server has already been automatically configured. So let's enter a server email address. I'm sorry, the email address to actually receive notifications like when you create a new Cpanel account and all that. Okay, so after doing this, you click next. So wow, congratulations, we have fully installed our WHM okay on our server. So first thing you have to do, you can reboot the server to apply the software changes. Okay, all right, so I think let's just reboot the server. So let's try to log in or refresh it. Enter our password again. All right, so now we have fully created our WHM account. Okay, the first thing I want to show you how to do, okay, is to create Cpanel accounts. Okay, is to create Cpanel accounts. All right, so to do that, let's just go to create new account. Okay, this is where you can add all the domain names. Okay, I think I will have to look for a domain to add over here. So here's the domain. Okay, so first of all, I will have to click this basic DNS and then click OK. And now I can click advanced DNS. So what I have to do basically is to copy the IP address. Okay, is to copy the IP address, and I can get that from here, which is this. Copy the address and then go over to click add new record. Okay, and click another record. Paste it. Add another A record. Paste it there. Another A record as well. Add another record as well. Okay, I understand. I just wanted to add this. So I think so I'm supposed to copy the domain name. Okay, paste over here. Now generate a password for it. Okay, you can assign an email to it. Alright, you can actually create packages. So when you come over here, you just choose from your list. Like you can define packages, okay, like the disk, okay, the disk space, okay, like 5,000, and different packages with different pricing, monthly bandwidth and all that. So when you come over here, you just select, okay. So but for now, I just want to just enter it manually, okay. So when you're done, you go over it. When you're done, you can just click. You can also define. You can make this to be numbers of packed domains. Maximum hourly email by domain relay and all this stuff. You can actually customize that as well for your clients depending on the package. So when you're done, just click create account. As you can see, it is successfully created. So when we can go over to list and click on list accounts, and as you can see over here, you can see we have one domain. So this is a customized way of creating having Cpanel accounts, like apportioning Cpanel accounts for your customers, okay, with different prices. Okay, you can just click over here. You can see let's say quota, okay, package coming, okay, like this. You can actually add package, you understand, you add packages, okay. All right, you can define them, okay. Then you can name the package, you understand, and all that stuff. So you can have different prices to different packages, so you can customize everything here. All right, so I hope this has been informative to you guys. So you can also see that when we click on this, if it has fully propagated, we just change the name server, and it actually takes time, probably sometimes hours, sometimes 24 hours, to 48 hours, okay. So but when you click on this, your domain will open, as in the domain name you opened, the domain name you created will open. So you can have as much, as many Cpanel accounts as you want. Okay, here you define everything, define your rule, define pricing. So I hope this has been able to solve a particular area that you're finding difficult. Okay, I hope you've been able to learn in 24 hours how to just create your own WHM customized server, okay, and how to create Cpanel accounts. Okay, so I hope you have learned something. If you have any question, you can drop comments. Okay, you can ask me and I will answer you at the very earliest. Okay, so I will answer you as ASAP, as soon as possible. Okay, so guys, before we go, let's just see if the domain has fully propagated. I believe it should work by now. So let's just click on the domain name. Wow, as you can see, everything worked. Okay, everything worked. Your WHM installation, configuration, and everything, and even adding Cpanel's account. Okay, so just to show you guys how things are, I'm going to just add SSL to this domain. Let's just see how to do it real quick. Okay. click next, scroll down, you click next. Okay, want to make sure the site here is secure, so want to install SSL. Okay, so we're going to use the HTTP file upload method, and we're going to download the auth file. So this is, we're going to add this. Okay, so now, but let's just try and log into the cpanel. Okay, you can actually log into the cpanel directly from here. Okay, in asked to log in. Let me refresh and try to log in again. Okay, so let's log in to the cpanel from here. You can actually log in all the cpanel's account that you created from here. Okay, and it kind of make it easy. All right. Dismiss. Okay, just trying to tell us that it's a trial account, and that's not a problem. So what we have to do is to go to File Manager. Click the click the public underscore HTML. Then we click on folder. Then we try to we'll try to go back to this, copy this, okay, from here to this point. Note from the dot to understand, the dot, start from the dot, well, understand, to this point, and then you go back to File Manager, you put it there, you click create folder. Could not create, I think it's saying file already exists. Okay, let's see. If you are not seeing, please take note, if you are not seeing the file, just click on settings, home, show hidden files, click save. All right, so here's the well known, here's the, all right, so once we are in there, what we have to do now is to upload. Okay, and then drag the file here. All right, so it has, you can drag the file like this, or you can click select file and go to the download folder, you understand, to pick it there. So we'll go back. Please note, if you don't have this folder, you can create it by coming here, folder. Okay, you create it and then you double click on it. When you're inside, you click on folder again, then you click on, you add this, like you click on, when you click here, click on folder like this, then you add this pkp, that's you copy from here, from this point, okay, which is here, but the folder is already created here. I hope we understand. But if you don't understand anything, please drop me a comment. I will really assist you guys. Okay, I'll really assist you guys. Let's check if since we have included the file, so now let's check if the text file will be seen. Okay, so here you click on the second link to check it. So everything works fine. So after doing that, you click on next step and you click verify domain. So your certificate has been issued. So we click, let's download the file. So you download it, then you click next. So what we have to do now is to go to the Cpanel, scroll down to SSL. Here we have scroll down here, you see SSH/TLS. Okay, you click on it. Alright, and you right click, open this in a new tab. Right click, open this in a new tab. Okay, so when you're there, you just scroll down to, then you click choose file. So you click on this and right click on it, extract the file. No, this is the file. Click on it, you click the private key and click upload. Okay, you close here, then you scroll down, you click choose file, click the certificate file, click open, you click upload. So after uploading, you close here, you now click on this manage Ssl Sites. So we scroll down and then we click this, click autofill by domain, scroll down, then you click insert certificate. So guys, we have been able to install our SSL. So let's go back to the site. So if you click on, if you reload the page, okay, it has not taken effect. So what you can do here, it will take some time for it to pick effect, but you can actually force it. So to do that, you click on file, click on htaccess, okay, .htaccess, click on create file, click on it, right click on it, click edit. They are going to put this code I'm going to show you here. So you paste this code, and you're going to actually enter the domain name here, like this. Sorry, like this. Click save changes, then close. And when you come back and refresh it, so guys, you can see successfully we have been able to activate and install SSL for the site. So this is so cool, this is so wonderful. So guys, just imagine how wonderful this lecture is. You've been able to learn how to install WHM on your own server. You've been able to learn how to create Cpanel account. You've been able to learn how to install SSL to make the site secure. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. Please, if this is your first time to watch or to be on this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video if you like this video as well, so that others can benefit. And please, there are cool videos that will be coming up your way. There are nice videos on PHP, Python programming, a whole lot will be coming your way. So please subscribe so you can get notified. All right. So thank you, and understand that if you have any questions, please drop in the comment section. I'll answer you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.